MLA jangka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP uba Alexander Elhek Iathuh baka party kan la ban Pyniakhun laipo seat hak election arajar arpulai bat ka kirman ru bakin yo jingjob hapalat shipho seat halor ke jing slam jangka party ban pinbnai ki kirtong uba hek Iathuh bakila dep banyakran halor ke ni ka binta hak jingelang jangka state executive meeting bat kala rairu baya ki kirteng jong ki kirtong deben pinbnano lai lani arbnai shwakapor.
So the BJP is delaying to declare the official candidates. But in the last meeting of the state executive and also in the presence of the national leaders, we have insisted and they have told them to declare at least minimum 3 months or 2 months before the election is announced. We are working hard. We are working very hard to ensure that all the 60 seats is covered with all the good faces to have a winnable candidate for this 23 general elections.
But in some of the places, you don't even have mandals formed yet.
Of course, I will not deny the fact, some of the mandals, but that also we are going to be constituted very soon. And definitely we are going to get a good candidate in all the 60 constituencies in the states. And also we'll have a very fair chance to let the government in Meghalaya in 23. If I tell you now, it's too early, but you will see the result. Target is we have not less than 30 potential seats, and we are going to cross double digits this time.